a little drop of water. What's the worst I can do?
Well, actually, a lot. Here is where the whole thing starts. So your gutter system is not just supposed to catch water, it is supposed to move a lot of water fast, and in a region with as many older homes as we have around here, a lot of these gutters are working with original hardware that's weakening and wearing out and is unable to handle the large quantities of water. So when gutters are clogged, or sagging, or holding water after a storm, that is not a small cosmetic issue, that is a system losing control. Now let's follow that water down the house. One of the sneakiest spots is where a roof runs into a wall. You see this a lot on older homes, the kind of two-story farmhouses and Victorian-era builds common across Franklin, Lancaster, and York counties. Now some homes have something called kick-out flashing. It is supposed to kick water into the gutter instead of letting it run behind the siding. When it is missing or wrong, damage can stay hidden longer than people think. Then you start seeing the clues like fascia rot, trim damage, siding stains, or even damage behind the siding. Then the water hits the ground. And this part matters more than most people think. A good rule of thumb is that your downspout should discharge at least 5 feet away from the house, not right beside the foundation. That is especially true in Lancaster and York counties around here where a lot of the soil has a higher clay content. If all that water is dumping a foot from your wall, you're saturating the soil right where you do not want it. That is how you end up with foundation moisture, basement seepage, mold-friendly conditions in the basement, and landscaping that gets washed out every time you get a hard rain. Drainage problems usually do not stay small. They travel: the roof edge, the wall, the ground, the foundation. And by the time water shows up inside, it has usually been taking that route for a while. Now we see this a lot on older homes that have had the same gutters since like the Reagan administration.
Gee, those gutters have been around for a really long time then.
They look fine from the driveway, but they have been quietly losing the fight for years already. You still think you can't do a lot of damage? And we have seen what happens when drainage issues get ignored long enough. Sometimes it is a simple fix, sometimes it's the quiet cause of a whole headache.